The Plaid Cymru Leadership Contest is all about Wales and the future of our country. I'm standing because I know Wales and the people of Wales are being held back from their potential, and I want to share and I want to lead a new vision about what Wales can be. I was born in Tontaig, just outside Pontypridd. The family moved to Iorwerth, then on to Anglesey, and then as a broadcaster and journalist I got to work in communities the length and breadth of the country, getting to know Wales, seeing its diversity from the industrial heartlands of the south and the northeast to spectacular rural and coastal Wales, north, south, mid and west, diverse but with a common thread being Wales, a small but very, very proud nation. In fact, we'll top any table for heart and pride, but I've had enough of us topping tables for poverty levels and seeing our economic performance near the bottom of most lists. So let's do something about it. If you're up for it, it's going to take a new boost of confidence in what we can be. And I want to be leader of Plaid Cymru to kickstart that process of building up Wales. And I want everybody who wants to focus on that nation-building programme to feel they have a home in Plaid Cymru. We're your party. Whatever your background, wherever you live, whatever your language, and no matter if you were born and bred in Wales or if you moved here yesterday, we've got to look forward, not back. Be clear about what we can be. We can match any country for education if we put our minds to it. We've done it in the past. We can look after our youth with a new Young Wales plan. We can become healthier, more physically active. We can future-proof Wales, putting a clear economic plan in place and investing in our infrastructure. And by using our real wealth, water, energy, the sea, the tide, to power Wales's future, we can make sure rural Wales isn't overlooked. We can build a brand for Wales that tells a clear story of who we are and what we can produce for export to the world, and we can try to reverse the brain drain out of Wales. And yes, we can be an independent country. In fact, I think we have to be. I've always believed that. It's about redesigning the way we work with other countries, not least those in these islands. We've got to be honest in explaining the challenges to people and in explaining the very real possibilities to those who haven't yet been convinced. It's not about building barriers. It's about building a nation and giving us the tools to succeed. Wales can. We've just got to start believing it. Plaid Cymru does, I do, but we've got to be able to communicate that vision, and the country needs leadership. I'm standing to be leader of Plaid Cymru because I want to lead Wales to a more equal, more prosperous, more exciting future. So please, support my campaign and let's share that story of what Wales can be.